We're going to the smallest volcano in the world today, and I'm pretty excited about that. Let me show y'all. I mean, I think y'all seen it, but did y'all see our bathroom? It was really cool. And the shower is like a waterfall, which I'm really gonna miss because that was really nice. Mouthwash. Which, speaking of mouthwash, I could really go for some because I had mango puree, and for some reason mango puree kind of makes my breath smell a little funky, I think. My hair is so frizzy. Oh my gosh. My hair is not made for the tropics. I will say that right now. This humidity. No. No.
Still damp and tired from the zoo, we went to Taal Vista Hotel to eat before we looked over the volcano. I'm like slightly damp, but I've started drying off. I feel very fancy. Walking in here, it's got a cool view. And yet another tasty buffet. Hotels seem to all have tasty buffets.
Coming up on a mile, I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on. Coming up on a mile, I'm coming up on a mile.
Okay, so what is this?
It looks like a hairy ball.
Nice! Perfect first thing to say. Well, I just started recording for the vlog. I just was like, hey, what is this? Talking to John, and you're like, it looks like a hairy ball.
Rambutan.
Hey, and as Sam's first question was, do you eat the little hairs or whatever on outside? Which no, you don't. I said I thought it looked like a strawberry that like grew up. Like somebody watered a strawberry or something.
So how do you eat it?
I assume you cut it, yeah, or something.
Yeah.
But don't just
How do you open it?
don't murder it.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
It's like
Pinch a hole. Yeah, like pinch a hole. Yeah.
Now breach. Oh wow!
That's cool.
I did not expect it to look like that.
It looks like
I thought it was
like
gonna
it's
look.
giving birth.
I thought it was gonna look like a strawberry.
There's a bone in
There's bone in it.
Bone?
There's bone in it.
Sorry.
It's alive.
Oh, there's a bone. Oh, there's a
Sorry.
there's
I
a
thought you said there's a bone. Do they come in boneless?
You don't eat it. Don't eat the white one. Okay?
What?
Don't eat the
inside.
seed. You eat the
You don't
white.
eat. Oh, you eat the white part.
The white part
Okay.
only.
I thought you said. Okay.
It's like a translucent olive.
What we do is we put it inside our mouth, then spit the bone out. That's what we usually do.
Spit the bone out.
Do y'all call it bone?
Okay, sorry.
Dennis just got bones on the mind. What's it taste like?
It's like lychee. Yeah.
I wasn't a big fan of the lychee though.
Oh, really?
It was too like sour for me. Oh wow! Feel the
Everything's
inside.
overly
Feel the inside of the. Isn't that weird? It's like plastic.
It does feel like plastic.
It's like latex. It's like powdery too. So it's like weird. So that's what the inside
Hey, look,
looks
it's like a little hat.
Hey,
You got a Dr. Pepper?
I was like, you got a Dr. Pepper?
Here we have ube ice cream, and it's basically purple yam, and it's like a sweet thing.
We've had a lot of ube stuff before, so y'all already know. But not ice cream.
I added white chocolate chips to it because I like that flavor combo. So,
How does it taste?
it's great.
Do you think it would pair well with the rambutan?
What's that?
The hairy ball.
Let's see. It doesn't have a flavor. The hairy ball doesn't have a flavor.
You'd think the hair would make extra flavor. Delicious.
And here we have a mango crepe. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Mango crepe. I love all things mango, so.
I prefer dried mango. Is it good?
Good, right?
Did you eat some with the ice cream or no? Yeah, I get the full flavor profile. Is it good?
It's a great mixture. It really is.
I prefer dried mango to anything else. I like that cake that had the mango. I think I either like it chopped really small or like the dried ones. Because like a lot of the things that mango's in or that it makes is kind of slimy. And it's like got a weird texture for me. And I don't like that texture, but I like the flavor, so it's weird.
I can't believe you like that peach mango cake better than the ube.
The ube one was too dry.
That was perfect for me.
I think she's just giving it too much credit for being purple. I really
That was
do.
a plus. That was a plus. I mean, look at this ice cream. That is my favorite color in the world.
I was like, you spent so long preparing this bite. It better be good. Good. Good, yeah. John's like, alright, take the camera off me. He's like, okay, I gave you what you want. Leave me alone now. Do not come to my house. This is the smallest volcano in the world. And it's cool because it's inside of like this little lake or something. And Sam remembers, I remember learning about volcanoes. I don't remember learning about this one. But apparently, we learned about this in our geology class. Maybe that's why I didn't get an A in geology. But I don't remember this one. She didn't get an A either though, just saying. But check it out. Get your life together.
So just a trip, yeah?
Do I get to look before it runs
The
out?
Taal Volcano is the smallest volcano in the world. However, it's just a crater in a crater.
Tourist
Yeah, it's a
guide.
crater in a crater. So the whole thing is a crater. So the Taal Volcano is inside the crater.
Oh wow.
Why doesn't it work? Oh.
It looks like you're caressing boobs.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Here, let me try.
It won't go.
There's a Ferris wheel. See that?
Wow. I barely remember. It's crazy.
You're headed to domestic departures.
No, we're going to
Or wait, no, never mind.
national.
International. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm tired. International departures. I have really bad gas.